Welcome to our roundup of the best drones for beginners. Whether you're just starting your aerial photography journey or want a fun and easy way to explore the skies, we've picked out top-rated drones that combine simplicity, performance, and value. These models offer user-friendly controls, stable flight, and smart features that help even first-time pilots capture amazing footage without stress. From GPS precision to obstacle avoidance and long-range flight, these drones are designed to make flying both fun and effortless. So, get ready to take off and discover which drone fits your flying style best. The first on the list is the AE3 Pro Max Plus. The AE3 Pro Max Plus is built for beginners who want to experience professional-level flying without a complicated setup. Its 4K Ultra HD dual camera system captures stunning aerial shots with impressive detail, and the built-in electronic image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free videos. With advanced GPS positioning, this drone locks onto satellites for precise hovering, automatic return to home, and stable flight in various conditions. It's also equipped with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Gesture Control, which make it incredibly easy for new pilots to get creative footage. One of its most practical advantages is the long 28-minute flight time per battery, allowing extended aerial exploration. Overall, this drone provides a balanced combination of stability, flight intelligence, and image quality, making it an excellent starting point for beginners who want to fly confidently and capture stunning views right out of the box. Next up is the Aligiport S156. The S156 stands out as a user-friendly drone that focuses on flight stability and simplicity. It features intelligent altitude hold, keeping the drone perfectly steady even if you release the controls, making it great for first-time flyers. The 1080p wide-angle HD camera delivers clear photos and videos, while real-time FPV transmission lets you view everything directly on your smartphone. With its one-key takeoff and landing function, beginners can get started without fear of crashing or losing control. Despite its compact size, the S156 is packed with smart flight modes such as headless mode, circle flight, and trajectory flight. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, while LED navigation lights keep it visible in low-light conditions. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes and quick battery swapping, the Aligiport S156 is an affordable, easy-to-fly choice that combines durability and fun for absolute beginners. Next, we have the SX1 Max GPS drone. The SX1 Max is an excellent choice for beginners looking to step up to a more advanced model. With GPS-assisted flight, it maintains precise positioning and automatically returns home when the battery runs low or signal is lost, saving it from accidental crashes. It also features a 4K adjustable camera that captures crystal-clear aerial footage, while the 2-axis gimbal stabilizer ensures smoother shots even during fast movement. This drone comes with intelligent follow and orbit modes, which automatically track your movement or circle around a chosen subject, perfect for vloggers or outdoor adventurers. The brushless motors provide powerful lift and wind resistance, while the long battery life of 26 minutes per charge ensures plenty of flight time. Overall, it strikes an excellent balance between smart features, durability, and beginner accessibility. Next, we have the LSS-2S Mini Drone. The LSS-2S Mini Drone is the perfect pick for those who want to practice flying on a budget. Its compact and lightweight build makes it incredibly portable, yet it's packed with smart beginner-friendly features. It includes optical flow positioning, which enhances hovering accuracy for stable indoor and outdoor flight. The 720p HD camera captures decent aerial shots, while real-time transmission allows you to see what the drone sees in flight. It's equipped with one-key takeoff and landing, making operations straightforward for anyone new to drones. The LSS-2S also offers fun flight modes like flip and rotation for playful experiences. It supports headless mode, meaning beginners don't have to worry about the drone's orientation. It flies exactly in the direction of your joystick. Overall, the LSS-2S Mini Drone is a great entry-level choice that teaches the basics of drone flight without risk or high cost, perfect for kids and new pilots. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi V88 drone. The Xiaomi V88 is a beginner drone that combines style, technology, and ease of use. It's equipped with a 4K wide-angle camera capable of capturing sharp, vivid aerial images, complemented by electronic image stabilization for smoother videos. With smart gesture and voice control, you can command the drone to take photos or start recording simply by speaking or gesturing, making it incredibly fun to use. Its dual GPS and optical flow sensors provide precise positioning, keeping the drone steady even in breezy conditions. The V88 also includes intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Surround Flight, which help beginners achieve cinematic shots effortlessly. The 25-minute flight time per charge gives you ample time to capture great footage, while the foldable design and protective carrying case make it travel-friendly. Overall, this drone is perfect for beginners who want professional-grade visuals, intuitive control, and long-lasting build quality in one sleek package. So that wraps up our list of the best drones for beginners. If this video helped you find your next flying companion, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful gadget roundups. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!